In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform a memory RAM check using Windows Memory Diagnostics. If your computer has been freezing, randomly restarting, or showing blue screen errors, one possible cause is faulty RAM. Windows includes a built-in tool called Windows Memory Diagnostic that can help you test your memory and see if there are any obvious problems. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to run it, what to expect during the test, and how to view the results afterward. First, make sure you save any open work. This test requires a restart, and anything unsaved will be lost. Close any programs you don't need, especially ones that might interfere with a reboot, like ongoing downloads or installations. Now, let's open the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Go to the Start menu and in the search bar, type Windows Memory Diagnostic. When it appears in the search results as an app, click on it to open. You'll see a small window with two main options. One is to restart now and check for problems, and the other is to check for problems the next time you start your computer. If you're ready to run the test immediately, choose the option to restart now and check for problems. Your computer will begin restarting. Don't be alarmed if this takes a bit longer than a normal reboot. That's expected because the diagnostic tool will load before Windows. Once your computer restarts, you'll see the Windows Memory Diagnostic screen. By default, it will start running the standard test. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see progress information and the status, as well as how many passes have been completed. Usually, letting it complete the default test is enough for a basic check. If you want more advanced testing, you can press the F1 key for options, where you can choose between basic, standard, and extended tests, and adjust cache and pass settings. Keep in mind, the more advanced the test, the longer it will take. Allow the test to run until it reaches 100% and completes all passes. This may take several minutes or longer, depending on your RAM size and the test settings. When the test is finished, your computer will automatically restart again. After Windows loads, you should see a notification briefly appear in the bottom right corner saying that the memory test results are available. If you miss that, you can check the results in Event Viewer. Open the Start menu, search for Event Viewer, and open it. In Event Viewer, expand the Windows Log section and click on System. Then look for an event with Memory Diagnostics results in the Source column. Open that entry to see whether Windows detected any memory errors. If errors are reported, it's a strong sign that one or more of your RAM modules may be failing and might need to be reseated, tested individually, or replaced. If no errors are found, at least you can rule out basic RAM issues as the cause of your problems and move on to other troubleshooting steps with more confidence. That's all you need to perform a RAM check using Windows Memory Diagnostic.